We're going to be making these beautiful flowers out of either upcycled magazines, maps, children's books, whatever you like. And then you can use them to decorate either presents or cards or book foldings, whatever you'd like. So these are out of magazines. This one is from an old book. So what I'm going to show you is, once you've made it, then you can decide on what you'd like for the center. So you could have it with the red. So I think I like the red on this one. These happen to be stickers. So just like that. But again, it's totally up to you. You could also use beads for the center. It's really just a nice finishing touch. Let me show you how you make these flowers. So today we're going to make them out of an old children's book that I have that was discarded from a library. I have this really nice hole puncher. Totally up to you if you want to just, if you're only going to do this once in a while, you could also just use like something circular, like a spool of thread or something would work just fine. Find a page that you like. I think this is really pretty. And you're going to go ahead and just punch it. And you're going to need 6. Nice thing is about this one is that it collects it real nice. Okay. I'm going to use the back of this so I don't get glue all over my table. So you can, whichever one, and then you can use, look at the different sides. Look for different colors, textures, however you want to do it. Whichever one you don't really particularly like, you're going to put on the bottom. I'm going to place some white glue on there. And then the other 5, I'm going to go ahead and pile them up, just like that. And then you're going to go ahead and make a V. So fold it this way, and then fold it this way. See how that's making like a nice V right there? Make sure your fold is nice and tight. And then you're going to go ahead and just glue it onto that circle you have. The reason I like white glue is that you can actually move it around a bit while it's drying. Like so. You might have to move them in a little bit just so that you don't really have a lot of gaps. That's the only tricky part to this project. It's just getting them to align just right. There we go. Now you can leave it like that. Or if you like, I think it looks nicer this way, is you can fold these down. So totally up to you if you want to leave it up or down. Again, since it's still wet, you can fiddle with it a bit. And then you can decide what you want in the middle. Or you leave it blank. So I'm going to go ahead and I think for this one, I'm going to add, there's a tiny little, I think, bead right in the middle. Again, just a little, you could use a glue gun if you want, if you're in a hurry. I'm not. I just like sometimes be able to move it around a little. Just that little dab of a bead, I think is real pretty. And there you have it. Now I do want to try this one also. It might be fun to try it. I was thinking with a map. I've never tried this before, but I picked this up at a rest stop. So I was thinking that a map texture might be really fun too. So I'm going to go ahead and I don't know if I like that green so much. I'm going to actually take it from this part. And it's doubled, so I don't need to cut out as many. Let's go ahead and see what, with the map, again, I don't like this piece, so I think I'm going to use that for my bottom. But I'm really excited to see how it works with the map. So we're going to experiment together with this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, I'm going to fold that V shape like so. Let's go ahead and see what this is going to look like with the map. Super excited. I love trying things. I was thinking sometimes people wrap gifts with beautiful wrapping paper. I think that would be a really nice way to upcycle that as well. If you have other ideas, I'd love for you to comment below on what you used. And if you haven't yet, like and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on any of the Sunday tutorials that come out. Ooh, I do like that a lot with the map. And I could do it with the blue in the middle, but I'm thinking I might just leave this one plain. I really like it just kind of like that. I think that'd be really nice maybe for like a Bon Voyage kind of party. You could do like maps like that. You could string them together and make a little banner. Totally up to you. So lots of great ideas here.